I'm Brandon All with Harry Eklof and Associates. I'm the HVAC manufacturer's rep for Southern Virginia. Kevin Shaver's here with Nolan and Culpepper. Kevin was one of the first ones, actually was the first one in Virginia that brought on the HVAC line for us, and he's been gracious enough today to take a little time out of his schedule to kind of give us an overview of how everything's gone so far. So, it's April now, and you brought on the Navien HVAC line, I believe, in September. What has been your experience so far with how everything's gone to this point?
Well, so far it's been a really easy transition for us because we've been selling Navien for years with their combi boilers and tankless water heaters. So we've been offering Navien as a premium product to our customers. So with the launch of the HVAC line, it just made sense to bring that on and continuing to build a relationship with Navien.
Okay. So is that the main reason that you brought Navien on as your premium HVAC line, is because you were so familiar with the company brand already?
We were familiar with it. We appreciate the support that Navien offers us and the rep agencies that we have to work with when we might want to have some trainings for Navien product, or if we need to meet with a customer, the reps have always been really supportive of that. So there were a lot of factors that went into it as a distributor to make sure that it was going to be a good fit for our company.
Okay, good. How have the contractors had good feedback so far? Is that what has been their feedback?
All of the feedback has been positive. The contractors seem to feel that it's offering a lot of value. The customer's getting a lot of efficiency at a very competitive price. So it's something that in my market has been a really good fit. And the customers have adopted it really well, and everything's been great so far.
That's good. Have you had any issues to this point? I mean, has anything been a bad experience or anything like that, or has it all been pretty positive?
I haven't had any bad experiences. Navien's always really responsive when I've had questions about the product, bringing on something new. Either a rep or Navien themselves was more than happy to answer any questions and explain the process to me of ordering the equipment.
Okay. When you did decide to bring on the line and everything, and we went through the process of getting you set up and placing your order, I think we did it with the load-in program, correct? Or, the first couple of orders you did were through the load-in program. How did that process go? Was that?
The load-in program worked really well, because we were able to get rebates for those initial orders that we were purchasing. Navien's full freight allowance is really helpful as well, because it helps you manage your inventory a lot better, because there's only a 20-piece minimum. There's no dollar amount that you have to meet. So for a smaller distributor like myself, it just makes it easier to make sure that you're not having to order more inventory than you really need just to meet the minimum freight terms.
Right.
So with that very reasonable full freight allowance and that load-in program, it made it a lot easier to bring that product in without overwhelming my warehouse staff and inventory levels.
Okay. How have you been impressed with the MDF that you got from that program? Because that came with, I think, a fairly large chunk MDF, right?
Yes, we received quite a bit of MDF funds for all of the Navien purchases that we've had this year, and it's really helped us to market the brand even more than just me telling people about them, because we've had several trainings with Brandon where he's done full teardowns of the Navien furnace with some of my top customers. We've been able to use the MDF funds to get apparel for my staff and customers. We got a van wrapped with some of the MDF funds from Navien this year. So we've been able to do a lot of things that we haven't otherwise done as a company. So the support that Navien is giving us for marketing and development has really been helpful.
That's awesome. So when you did place your order, how long did it take for you to receive your shipment?
So I remember staying late one Friday when you first told me about the product becoming available, and working to get that done, because I was so excited to get the product on hand. It's like, oh, it's probably going to be weeks before I get this. And I had a truck show up out back one day. I had no idea what it was, and I walked out, and 2 days later, it was a whole truckload of Navien equipment because it ships from their warehouse here in Virginia. So another thing that's really helpful to me is I don't have to allow 3 weeks, let's say, for transit time. I can really monitor my inventory levels, and then when I need it, I can go ahead and place the order. I don't have to really plan for transit time.
That's good. Well, Kevin, it's been great working with you so far. I look forward to continuing the relationship, and I really appreciate you sitting down and giving us your time to talk about Navien and the Navien HVAC product.
Well, we appreciate all of the support, and it's really a good fit for us. So thank you.
Awesome. Great.